What is up, ESD? Gosh, I miss you all so much, and I hope you're all doing really well. Today I made a Mother's Day craft. It's a small flower and a little flower pot, just to celebrate Mother's Day tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty simple, but it's a really great way to tell your mom, mother figure, grandma, aunt, just how special they are and how much they mean to you, and just celebrate them. So if you want to learn how to make that, just keep watching this video and I'm going to show you how. This craft does involve paint, so if you want, you could get a paper towel or some wax paper to protect the table from the paint. You will then get a paintbrush, your favorite color of paint, and a can or a mason jar. I chose mason jar just because that's what we had. You will then begin to paint your mason jar or your can, and you're just going to go all around it, make sure you get a nice thick coat on there. Once you're done painting, you can set your mason jar aside. You will then want to take several popsicle sticks and a Sharpie, and this is the time you can get really creative. You are going to write with the Sharpie on the popsicle stick just compliments or things you love about your mother, or just things that you think are really special about her. And this, like I said, is just where you can get really creative, and this is what's really special about the craft. You just opening up and saying, you know, this is why I care about you, this is why I love you. You will then put the popsicle sticks aside and pick up scissors and a piece of paper. The piece of paper will serve as the petals for your flower. I originally chose green as my paper, but then I realized after completing the craft that it looked more like a shamrock or a four-leaf clover. However, if green is your favorite color, or if you're just needing some luck this month, then you go right ahead and you use the color green. If you'd like, you can also use multiple colored papers, just in case you want more of a bouquet. You can use purple, pink, red, blue, green, whatever you'd like. Anyway, you are going to cut out 6 petals. They're going to be about 3 inches long and about 1 inch wide. Or you can do more or less depending on what kind of look you're going for. But you're going to want about 6, and they're going to be about 3 inches by 1 inch. You will then take the flower petals you just cut out and put them at the end of the popsicle stick. You will want to spread these out in a circular motion so it looks more like a flower. Then, if you'd like, you can take a yellow piece of paper or foam board and cut it out in the shape of a circle. You can then put this at the center of your flower so it looks more realistic. This is how your flower should look at the end. You will then want to take your flower or flowers, depending on how many you made, and put them in the little vase you made earlier. Guys, that's all I have for you today, but I hope you're all doing really well, you're staying safe, and I hope you're having at least a little bit of fun even though you're stuck at home. Hang in there, keep washing those hands. Bye.